Look what came in the mail today. Let's see. Check out, see what we got. All right. Oh man. I actually got the fuel controller for it, so it came with some wire. Hook it up. Came with various assorted things and the instructions. So I guess I'll go over to the house and actually install the controller. All right, so I found a place where I'm going to mount my fuel controller. All right, we're going to turn on the power and see what lights come on. So the full light is on. That's showing the fuel pump is priming. So the fuel pump is priming and then it shuts off. Try it again. Power on, fuel pump's priming, now it's off. I got the bracket in there to hold the battery in. Everything's all good. I did this because the battery I had in there had died. What was it cost? Okay, fellas, I promised that I would show you that A1000 I rebuilt. There it goes. It's in place and it is not leaking. I'm gonna turn it on so to show you proof that it's not leaking. All right, it's my new fuel filter. That's the old A1000 after I did the rebuild on it. It's running, there's no leaks. It's all dry. Go up under the hood, see what the fuel pressure looks like. It's sitting at about 40 PSI. Steady. The fuel controller is controlling the actual speed of the pump. So the fuel controller is there. It's on, but it's controlling the speed of the pump right now. It's not on full, it's on partial. So right now, that's why the pump is kind of quiet. It's slowly pumping because the fuel controller is controlling it, necking that voltage down. So the pump's not so loud. It's still loud, but this A1000 screams when it's on full. Everything seems to be working. We're gonna let the car down and start it up. All right, what I didn't show you is I had to do some tuning, but fuel pump's not leaking, car's running. So here we go from this angle, so you can see fuel pump's right under there, no leaks. Running good. I'm gonna take it out for a spin, see if I can tune it good.